Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you a little experiment I have done recently. I will show you how to make your own texturing paste with very cheap materials and really rough looking. There are few texturing pastes in the market and they do a pretty good work on covering the bases of an army and give them an interesting look. But when it comes to terrain, this texturing paste will be very expensive to covering everything and you will need loads of it. So I don't really think it's sustainable.
How dare you!
A very cheap way to cover terrain could come from spreading sand on white glue or use coconut fiber. Both ways will look cool. But I'm looking for something different here and you can tell me what you think at the end of the video. For this recipe, I'll use regular sand, round cork, PVE glue, and this cord cut in little pieces. Let me tell you a secret. This cord cut out like this will make fluffy grass. That you can use for modeling grass. Also, you can use pines to tint them like you want. Even make different colors and then mix them up together.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious, and don't call me Shirley.
But I won't show you this on this video. If you want me to make a video about it, let me know in the comments, please. So after creating this little fluffy grass, I'll add the sand and the ground cork. I'm not very good with ratios and that, so I just add the stuff as it feels right to me. I then add the PVE glue and some black paint. You can probably use just one of those, but I like to use both of them. Also, I didn't add any water, but it wouldn't have been a bad idea. And there you have it. This petrol looking paste is going to make a nice natural ground for the terrain with a lot of variance. So, what do you think? Have you tried to make your own texturing paste? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much for watching and see you next time. Bye! Both ways will work. Cool. 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 Cool.